In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image in Blender. This is how the mesh looks like, and it's based on a honeycomb mesh. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. Please use any available background HDRI image, but put the strength to 0.2. If you don't see the honeycomb in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, type 2 to edge select, and alt select an edge loop like this. Shift G to select similar by length, and Ctrl I as in India to invert the selection. We can delete these edges. Let's select the similar edge loops again. Type F to fill, E to extrude, and I as in India to extrude inward. If this issue occurs, please recalculate the normal like this. After recalculating the normal, type E to extrude inward. Let's add a metallic material for the mesh, and an emission material for the selected faces. The basic idea is to hide certain faces by the honeycomb walls, so that creates this interesting illusion. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.